All right, so today I bring you a very simple prompt that you can use. You just copy and paste it, and the only thing you need to do is need to replace this with your things. Okay, so in this case, instead of using how to build funnels with AI or entrepreneurs, you just use the one that refers to what you do. Okay, and then just copy and you paste it. So let's create a page following the instructions. Okay, so then I go ahead and send it over. Now you can do, I'm using VS Code with Codex because that's the way that I prefer to do, and the way that I teach inside AI for Entrepreneur, which is my program where I teach about this stuff more extensively. But you can use Cloud Design if you prefer. Cloud Design, the only difference is it's a lot more beginner friendly, and you can, it's a lot more visual. Okay, but there's a few downsides to it. It spends a lot more credits, and it's a lot tougher for you to have very specific project details, around that specific thing. So to build more complex projects is not as good, right? So then again, here, what we did was we selected a lead magnet. We selected our target audience. We selected our traffic source and expectation. So in this case, we didn't really do the expectation. The painful current state, the desired outcome, what they receive, primary CTA, and brand colors. Everything else, you don't really need to touch. This is just a generic, ChatGPT prompt, and you don't need to worry about it. Okay, so just fill out this information here. Control A, Control C, or Command A, Command C if you're on Mac, and then paste it on your Cloud Design, Codex, Cloud Code, whatever you are using for that. I'm going to pause the video. It's going to work for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to come back with the results. All right, so now it is done. Let's go ahead and do run the server and wait a couple of seconds. All right, give me direct local link. Let's go ahead and open it, and there we go. You have your entirely made page right here. We just are missing footer. Add a footer to the page, and done. Build your next funnel with AI without starting from scratch. Get the prompts, workbook, and plug and play templates that turn black page into a clear step-by-step funnel. Copy and paste AI prompts, a guided workbook ready to customize templates. Email address, get the free kit. Done. If you want, instead of using these scenarios on the right, you can actually use an image. Now, this is something that with Codex you can do because they use ChatGPT image creation. With Claude, you are not going to be able to do. You need to use something. You need to create the image before and then upload it afterwards. So what I want to do is, let's go ahead and refresh. And now we have the footer there. Now, on the right column of the hero section, let's create an ebook image using ChatGPT 2 Pro that represents the book and a few pages of the prompts and assets around behind the book. We can also do, these are Mockup images, background, and provide okay. So basically I gave you an instruction that on the right column I want to also have an alternative for an image for you to create it. I gave a couple of instructions for that, and also I said, hey, create an overlay menu so I can see the changes on the page. So now let's just wait. He's going to work on that. He's already creating the image, and I'll see you in a couple minutes. All right, so he already created the images. Now he's going to add the images on the place. So let's go ahead and see how it goes. All right, so he just finalized. There's V1 here, V2. I prefer V1, so let's select V1, and now I want to make it bigger and add a parallax effect to each one mouse movement. Remove the V2. All right, let's now add a parallax effect to it, make it a little bit bigger so that's a better correlation with the one on left. We might also make this one here a little bit smaller, but let's see how it looks. And but the images are very good. This image is actually very good. So we have all these things are very good. Okay, so let's go ahead and keep building. I'll pause the video and come back when he finalizes it. Right, so he created it. Now let's refresh it. Okay, done. It has the parallax effect. Let's scale the image 1.2 times. Okay, I did the parallax effect. It's cool. We can add a few other things here as well, but I'm not gonna make this tutorial too long. If you want to learn how to build this sick stuff, like, you know, you can visit this website. My website should be in the link. There's a lot of different things that we share, how to do, how to build, how to design. We go from websites to dashboards, web tools, whatever you name it. Try or consider joining the AI Funnelpreneur, because that's where we teach everything here in extensive detail. So, all right, I think that's it, right? Yeah. So let's add a glow behind the image in bright pink. So there you go. There's the bright pink. Now let's add a background pattern on the previous section that fades from left to right. All right, so now we have that pattern there. Sounds good. Now let's add erase laser beams on a few of those horizontal and vertical pattern lines. They start thin, go a bit thicker, and end thin. Randomize them, add a few alongside your section. Give me 2 examples. All right, so let's refresh it. Let's go to V2, V1. I like V, yeah, V2. Beams. Okay, remove V1. Okay, so we have the animation. Right, so they're really funky, so okay. All right. So, I mean, I think it's fine. Okay, so I think it's fine. Let's just remove. Okay, sounds good. What else? Let's remove that stuff. Okay. We'll get it for okay right there. I don't really love it, but I'm not gonna change the icon for that. It didn't update. No, it's not that part. Where is it? Okay, it didn't add, I guess. Okay. Okay. Yeah, looks fine. Anything else? I think it looks fine. So I'll add this one on the shop. This one's gonna be I'll add this one for free, like very low ticket. But the initial prompt, this one, you can have access for free below. If you want this page, I'll add it in the shop. Cheers! On to the next one.